United Democratic Party Ripikal Ong ba ka CUET kedai ke Jingkylla ke Khraw ba bat ke National Testing Agency NTA haringkat lang bat ki bol ke Nehu kim simla Pynkhreh ba kumta dan kam ban pinstom halor ke ne Vice President Kaseng uba Alentry F Kar ula Ong ba umud ba kum kene ke Jingkylla ke Khraw ba bat ke NTA haringkat lang ke University ki Khlem Pynkhreh ba ke bala pelong ba ke exam kala kut dang kloy.
Our current DGP has said we are also hopeful for better law and order situations in the coming days with the taking over of charge by our own Idasha Norang. And where CUET is concerned, to the best of my knowledge, it is conducted by the National Testing Agency, which again is appointed by the central government. And so the minimal role the state government would have is in the advisory capacity and to the university authorities to treat this matter professionally. If things are going to go this way in its very first attempt, then it does not augur well for the youths of our state in the future who want to pursue further studies. I mean, such a major change, and the National Testing Agency, along with the university authorities, did not prepare well. There were so many issues found wanting to be addressed, to the tune that I was told through your media fraternity that the exam ended at 9:30 p.m. I mean, that calls for serious action on the part of the right authority who oversees CUET.